In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly locate and share your Behance link, whether it's your profile or a particular project. This is an essential skill for any creative professional looking to showcase their work or services online. So, whether you're newly venturing into Behance or just need a refresher, stay with me as we walk through the steps. Let's begin with the first thing you need to do: finding your Behance profile URL. This might sound a bit technical, but I assure you, it's quite straightforward. Start by logging into your Behance account and visiting your profile page. Once you're there, take note of the URL displayed in your browser's address bar. This link is unique to you and should look something like this: behance.net/ your username. Remember, your username is a critical part of this URL, and it's important to have it just right for professional sharing. If there's a need to update or confirm your username, you can easily do so by navigating over to your settings. From there, head to Account Information, where you'll find an option to edit the Behance URL field. Keep this link handy, as it's one you'll frequently use to direct others to your online portfolio. Next, let's move on to how you can find your link when you want to share a specific service listed on your Behance profile. Start by going to the Services tab, which is found on your profile page. This is typically where you have all your professional offerings listed. Once there, locate the project or service that you wish to share. Now, you'll notice an ellipsis or a three-dot menu next to the service. Click on this ellipsis to open up more options. Among these options, you'll see Share and Embed. By selecting Copy Link within this section, you now have the direct link to that particular service copied to your clipboard and ready to be shared. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be well prepared to share your creative profile and specific projects with potential clients, employers, or collaborators. It's always beneficial to ensure your links are easily accessible and shareable, as this will maximize your visibility and potentially lead to new opportunities. In this increasingly digital world, the ease of sharing your creative work is key, and with these steps, you'll have that capability at your fingertips. Before you know it, you'll be directing others to your work with the click of a button, expanding your professional horizon with each share. I hope you found these instructions helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and let's keep that creative momentum going strong. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial, and happy creating.